Hey, what's up, my good people? Jeff Carbuoy here. Welcome to my channel. You are approaching a gas station. You want to top up your fuel. You don't know which side you should pull in because you're driving a new car. You just got in the new car, or you're driving a friend car and you haven't figured out which side is a gas cap. So on this video, I'm going to show you how you should figure out which side is a gas cap when you're still inside your car. Like for example, this Honda CR-V, the gas cap is on the left, and I'm going to show you how you can find out that or inside your vehicle without stepping out. You see, like that red vehicle right there, the gas cap is on the right. That's why he or she pull out on that side. So get inside your vehicle, and we're going to turn the vehicle on, and right here on the dashboard you're going to look for that fuel pump icon right there, that symbol. If you see on the side, it has an arrow that is pointing toward E. It's pointing on the left. That means showing that on that side, that's where your gas cap is. And you can find out this on any vehicle. It doesn't matter what vehicle it is. They always has that symbol showing which side is a fuel gas cap. So open the gas cap like that, and right here on the gas cap, let me show you something else. When you take out your gas cap and you don't have that string, you can hang it out right there on the door. Just some quick tips for you guys. If you think this was useful for you, kindly subscribe and stay tuned. See you on the next one. My name is Jeff.